Restoring Luck with Anshul.
Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well and are staying happy and healthy. Today we're going to talk about days and how to make our days, specific days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, how to make each day very lucky for us and auspicious for us ताकि हम सबके काम बने. We all want our day to go the best possible way, right? So why not make the best possible out of each day? I'm going to give a few tips and remedies today for each day and how you should go about it. Each day is ruled by a specific deity and has a specific meaning for the day. So why not make these days luckier and auspicious for you? Let's start with Monday. Monday is the day of Lord Shiva. We always want to seek Lord Shiva's blessings, but if you seek Lord Shiva's blessings on Monday, your day will go amazingly amazing. So definitely आप white color के कपड़े पहनिए, wear more of light colors, pastel shades on Monday, and before leaving your house, make sure you eat a piece of cucumber or honey, a little bit honey and a piece of cucumber before leaving the house. Your day will definitely go good. Anything you want to start new, any career field, anything you want to move ahead, or any job you want to start, you can definitely start on Monday. Things will be very fruitful for you. Tuesday, यानी कि मंगल का दिन. Tuesday is the day of Hanuman ji. We worship Hanuman ji. We should prefer to go to a mandir, or if you cannot go to a mandir, you cannot visit a temple. So please seek Hanuman ji's blessings on Tuesday at your home or at your office. It will be very good for you. Wear red color on Tuesdays. It will be very, very good for you. And before leaving the house for any important work, eat coriander in any form. Try eating coriander in a chutney way, anything you like the coriander to be. So before leaving the house, eat coriander. And see how the Tuesday brings on good news for you and removes all the obstacles in your life. Wednesday, यानी कि बुध का दिन. To ensure success, to ensure you have a good luck on this day, pray to Lord Krishna ji and see how things work out for you. हो सके तो green color definitely इस दिन पहनिए. It's going to bring good luck to you. And before leaving your house for going any important work, eat something sweet. It will definitely help you to have a good day and ensure good luck for you throughout your day. Short journeys will be very successful on this day. So if you can definitely take on short journeys. Thursday यानी कि बृहस्पति का दिन. इस दिन आप प्रे करिए बृहस्पति गुरु को. गुरु का दिन है हमारा. अपने गुरु को प्रे करिए, जो आपका गुरु है, जिसको आप मानते हैं, जिसको आप फॉलो करते हैं. उनको प्रे करिए, उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स सीख करिए बिफोर लीविंग फ्रॉम योर हाउस एंड इवन when you start up your day. The day will be very good. But do not take any long journeys on this day. If you take any long journeys on this day, it will not be fruitful and you will not ensure success. Because Thursday को अगर हम कोई भी काम शुरू करते हैं नया, वो बहुत लंबा जाता है. तो हो सके तो आप कोई ऐसा काम मत शुरू करिए जो आप चाहते हैं जल्दी बिफोर टाइम ख़त्म हो जाए. You cannot wait for that work to get completed. Then don't start on Thursday. Eat papaya or eat anything yellow or yellow dal, anything on Thursdays. It will definitely ensure good success to you. Friday यानी कि महालक्ष्मी का दिन. शुक्रवार यानी कि अन्नपूर्णा का दिन. उस दिन आप कोई भी नया काम शुरू करिए, कोई नई व्हीकल परचेज करिए, या फिर नई कोई ज्वेलरी लीजिए, या कोई प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, या गृह प्रवेश भी उस दिन बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. तो फ्राइडे इज़ अ वेरी गुड डे टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग न्यू इन योर लाइफ. इस दिन आप वाइट लाइट ब्लू रंग के कपड़े पहनिए, आपके लिए बहुत लकी रहेगा. घर से बाहर निकले तो दही खा के, योगर्ट खा के निकलिए. इट बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू. हो सके तो आप कुछ वाइट मीठी चीज़ का भी दान कीजिए, बहुत ज़्यादा आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. हमारे लिए ये 7 दिन बहुत मायने रखते हैं. 7 नंबर इज़ अ वेरी लकी नंबर. 7 नंबर कलर्स का नंबर यानी कि विबग्योर का नंबर 7 होता है. 7 देयर आर 7 डेज इन अ वीक. हमारे जो सिंगिंग के स्वर भी हमारे 7 होते हैं. तो 7 हमारे लाइफ के लिए, यूनिवर्सल के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा और इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. Saturday is the day of Lord Shani. To make the most out of this day, to ensure good luck on this day, pray to Lord Shani after waking up. Eat ghee before leaving your house. Little bit of ghee. This day is very good for financial gains. To make the most out of this day, follow these two simple remedies. Sunday यानी कि सूर्य के दिन और हमारी छुट्टी. We all have a holiday on Sunday, isn't it? To make the most out of this day, worship Lord Surya or offer water to Lord Sun to bring good luck on this day, and wear bright colors like red, pink. Wear such colors on Sunday. And you can even eat a pan on Sunday to ensure good luck on Sundays and enjoy the Sundays. Friends, these are very small remedies to follow. A very few tips and easy tips which you can obviously imply in your day-to-day basis to ensure good luck for each and every day. These remedies are for every individual, but for a specific reading and to know more details about yourself to solve your problems and your queries, please contact me and like, subscribe and share this video if you like this video. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy and stay blessed.